Hey, look at what Gavin got. He got the candy vending machine bank. So you get to fill it up with M&Ms, Twix, peanut M&Ms, Snickers, Skittles, and Milky Ways. Here's all the candy that we're gonna use. You can only fill up one at a time. And in order for the candy to come out, you have to put in money. So you either put in 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, or you could put in $1.
Yeah. And you put in the money and then you press the button.
Right, we're gonna show them how that works once we fill this up with candy. So we're gonna fill this up with candy and show you how it works. Yeah. Milky Way. Yep.
What's that?
Alright, so this is filled. So now, let me just do it closer. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so now you can put in any coin you have. So right here we have quarters. Okay, so you're gonna put in a quarter.
This.
Yep, put in a quarter. And then what are you gonna choose? Snickers? There it goes. And this is, you need no batteries for this too. So that's pretty cool. All right, do something else.
Where it goes? 10?
Yeah, what's that?
Oh, it's
Okay,
not
so that one's not working.
Not
So open it up.
Put it back in and try it.
Oh, still. Up! There it goes.
Those are hard to get out these.
All right, next one. We gotta put in money.
This.
This is dime.
So 10.
Woo!
9, 10. Oh, Skittles. There it goes. Come on, Skittles.
Next one.
So,
Keep it straight.
I don't know what to pick.
They got a little stuck.
I'll just use this one.
No, we have to do them all. We have to show them how all of them work. Press it. There it goes.
Okay, I know what to use. This goes in here, right? So, one more left.
It's going. And there you go. All the candy.
Not to do it all over.
The battery's dying.
The batteries are